I'll guide you through how to earn from Pinterest. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to Pinterest.com, click sign up, and create a new account. Choose a niche you're passionate about like vegan food, home decor, or wellness, and set up your profile to reflect that theme. Then, head to TikTok and search for viral content in your niche. Once you find a popular video, tap share and select copy link. Go to snaptic.app, paste the link, and download the video. Return to Pinterest, click the plus button, and select create pin. Upload the video, write a compelling title, add a keyword-rich description, and include relevant tags. Don't forget to credit the original TikTok creator and write a short, engaging caption. Add affiliate link in your bio. Join clickbank.com. Copy your affiliate link. Go back to Pinterest, click edit profile, paste the link in the website field. You're now ready to start earning passively. Keep posting consistently, drive traffic with niche content, and watch for clicks and sales through your Pinterest bio link.